So definitely on the graphics side of things, they perhaps are ahead of us. But when it comes to the VM, you cannot. There is nothing which can beat Hotspot at this moment. Okay, so there you go. So sooner or later you'll actually get there.
I think the point here is that we've been writing so many Java applications, but the UI for it has never been so sophisticated. And JavaFX will provide you that.
Exactly.
You can write Java applications
better
with
UIs.
flashy UIs. That's all.
Okay, this is the application we wrote in 10 minutes. This has some history and of course that's it. Okay. So this was one of the applications I want to see you. You can change star colors again. Whatever. This can go slow and go fast. Whatever the opportunity. Okay. So this was the example. And yeah, this is actually no, I don't want to go there. Yeah, this is 10 line of code. Oh, where is my man? There is one man. Where is the man? What? Where is one car? Right? Car is there. Okay.
There's your what?
Okay, so let's see this. Someone asked that what is web? Okay. This is URL image, this is URL image, this is URL image. It's doing everything from that. I'm not putting any image in my folder. Okay, and I'm just writing content, whatever be the content sequence, it will come. On the road, the car 1 will come, and on the car 1, the car 2 will come. That's it. It is how much time? 16.
How is it animating?
Animate. Oh, good question. After 200, duration is 100. Linear animation, there are 3 types of animation. Linear animation means it will move linearly. One is like flashy animation. You remember flash, the things start very slow and then move very fast and then go very slow. So that is something called left, right, something called that. Left only means left it will start fast and then go linear. Right only means it will go linear and then right it will become fast. I have. You remember one screensaver of Windows? All the stars are keep on running here and there. No, this is different. It is just taking the screen. It is cutting in the random shapes and just rotating everything in a random pattern. This is also some 20 line of code. Okay. Stop. I don't know why people write stop code on right click. Okay, so there are some demos. We'll see it later. Yeah, so again back to Java, I see the going one. 6 you can have some cool features, so I'm going to discuss those features in the next 20 minutes.
10 minutes cut short.
No, 10 minutes Java FX. The features are next generation Java plugins. You can drag a plugin out of the browser. Okay, so your browser will run separately, your applet will run separately. Right now you are running a browser in the plugin, right? In the applet. So we will see that. Nimbus is a new look and feel added in 6. Okay. Parallel JAD is something cool that we are going to discuss. Performance always increase in Java from 4 to 5 to 6. So again some performance increase. Java deployment kit we will discuss. Everything we will discuss. You can download it from here. You have to download SCU10 update 22 plus. Before that things will not work. Okay. It's again a update 10, so it's in between updates, so there is no API that gets added, because in the middle update there is no API that gets added. Yeah.
Why in the middle of this release we have so many features added to it? Maybe we can add it to Java 7 or something like that?
Some Jonathan or Rich Green say and they just put it. Okay.
No, but
Java 7 will come out probably
Yeah.
in 2010.
So,
I don't want developers to wait
that was the
for
main
that.
reason. So it happens that Java 7 goes for the OpenJDK, and there are so many features get added in OpenJDK, like customer starts outing, we want this feature in 6 also. Okay, so we start adding those features in 6 also. That is the only thing.
the roadmap for JDK 7 itself is not finalized yet. So if something is available, it will improve the performance so much. Why keep it back?
Now I focus, right? Okay, so right now, yeah, applet outside the browser. I just want to show you the example. Yeah. So go to the Microsoft Technology ID. And, this is done. In between I will start in platform. Sorry, give me 1 minute. Some security warning. Let's see here. Okay, yeah. So this is my some graph project. So I just want to see this is the applet down, right? Now this applet came outside. Alt right bracket. Okay. So this is a this is a separate process. Now this is independent of browser. Let me show this browser now. Okay, this is some standard of my browser.
So what does it do? It loads again? The applet start and all that will happen again? Or
Oh no, you want to know the behind panda?
Yeah, of course.
It will be a tricky thing. It runs this in a different JVM.
Okay, so it will basically initialize like
Yeah.
everything.
So browser there is a JVM associated. When you say draggable applet, then it runs in a different JVM.
Okay, so you just call an applet viewer in a separate view.
Yes.
Also, how does it maintain the state of the
Yeah.
application?
Yeah. So
Next
I will just show
question.
you.
Should
Yes, that's it. Draggable variable to put.
So obviously it wouldn't maintain a state. It wouldn't maintain some state like I have.
if I enter some values in the text box, it has to maintain.
Yeah.
No,
Because
then-
this is the file remains there, control. See, we have text field, right?
Yes, yes.
So in that field, I have typed something, like my name.
Yes.
When I write it outside, will
Yes,
it
yes.
fill the
Why don't you show
It
doesn't do
the
it.
demo? Na?
Why to ask? Let's do that. You
Why
want
did it
to
not
do
do
something?
Only transferring the stack and all that, the memory.
Okay, you want to say that we are writing something, hello world. Okay, and then you want to. Yeah. This will run only on Firefox 3. So download Firefox 3. Okay. Yeah, you want to close that Firefox? My other application is also.
So you said that it will start another VM. Is that what you said?
Another applet.
If it's starting another VM, so if you run basically an applet viewer inside that, it has to call init and start and whatnot.
Yeah, it will not close this item, right?
Is it starting another java.exe or is it the same exe?
It is a different process, isn't it?
It is starting a different process. All control delete.
So the values are serialized and then
Then that can be quite CPU intensive. If it's a big application, then transfer can take.
So is the question here that any applet is run in a separate JVM or when you drag and drop it?
Yes, yes. Applet can run on a separate. Let me go on slide 2 for that. I'll show you how it runs.
Okay.
Okay. And now your applet can use JNLP persistent data. Means someone is asked, right, how to persist the data. Okay, so you can call the GNLP API and it can persist the data. So whatever the data is there, like you maximize the window, you persist the data.